How to remove your Messenger account from another phone. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how you can remove your Messenger account from another phone. In order to remove your Messenger account from another phone, what you can do is, first of all, update your application and log into your Facebook account. There are different methods of removing your Messenger account from another phone. So the first method is you can simply change your password, but changing your password might not be an inconvenient way. So what you can do is, in order to remove the particular account, so once you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the home page. So over here, tap the three dot icon or the try bar icon from the top right. So after that, tap the gear icon from the top right hand side and go to account center. Just tap on the see more button and scroll down a bit. Go to password and security. After that, it's going to take you to this interface where it's going to show you all of these information. So over here, you can just go to security check, and under it you have the option as where you're logged in. So tap the button, and after that it's going to show you the multiple devices or the devices that your account is currently logged in. So what you can do is just tap the particular device from where you actually want to remove. So if you want to remove it, then tap on select device just like this. In my case, I'm just going to remove it from this particular account, so tap the logout button. After that, the account has been removed from that particular device. In this way, you can remove your Messenger account from another phone. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.